Welcome, small friends! Embark on a delightful adventure with playful farm animals and amazing safari creatures, frolicking in the mud, where kids can enjoy the sight of their favorite animals having fun in a muddy playground. This engaging experience combines playful interactions with educational insights, making it a perfect blend of learning and entertainment for young explorers. Identify and follow animal tracks in the mud, watch and enjoy. The untold story of moose. Male moose have immersive antlers which are the largest among any living deer species. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kg or more. The extraordinary story of sheep. Sheep are herbivores and graze on grass and other plants. Their diet mainly consists of vegetation, and they have a complex digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant materials. A fascinating look into gorilla. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Each species is further divided into two subspecies. The eastern gorilla has the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla, while the western gorilla has the western lowland. Journey into the secret life of honeybees. Honeybees are renowned for their production of honey by collecting nectar from flowers, which they then convert into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation. Honeybees are critical pollinators, playing a vital role in the pollination. Journey into the world of wolves. Wolves are carnivorous predators and are known for being hunting prowess. They primarily hunt large ungulates like elk, moose, and deer. Wolves are also opportunistic and can eat smaller mammals and birds. Spotlight on Earth's tallest animal, giraffe. Giraffes have a massive heart, weighing around 25 pounds 11 kg, which is necessary to pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Their blood pressure is also unusually high. Legends of Llama revealed. Llamas were first domesticated and used as pack animals 4,000 to 5,000 years ago in the Peruvian highlands. Llamas can grow as much as 6 feet tall. The intricacies of hamster habitat. While hamsters are primarily herbivorous, they are considered omnivores because they may eat insects and small invertebrates in addition to their plant-based diet. Hamsters have a keen sense of smell, which helps them locate food. Tales from the rabbit kingdom. Rabbits are social animals and thrive in the company of other rabbits. They often form close bonds with their companions. Rabbits communicate with each other through various body movements, sounds, and thumping their hind legs. Guardians of the grassland, rhinoceros. There are 5 existing species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino and Sumatran rhino. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species. Our next stop, the mighty buffalo. Buffaloes are known for their massive, stocky build with a large head, short neck and curved horns. Water buffaloes typically have larger and longer horns. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo. Unraveling the tale of white tigers. White tigers, like their orange counterparts, are native to the Indian subcontinent. They inhabit a variety of environments including grassland, mangrove swamps, and dense forest. A journey into goat habitats. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are known for their various vocalizations, including bleats, grunts, and snorts. Our next stop, the enigmatic hippopotamus. Contrary to their fearsome reputation, hippos are herbivores. They mainly feed on grass and their diet consists of about 80 to 90 pounds of vegetation per day. Hippos are known for their territorial nature. Navigating the skies of geese. Geese are known for forming monogamous pairs that often stay together for life. If one mate dies, the surviving goose may find another partner. Domestic geese are derived from wild species. Slithering secrets of cobra snake. Not all snakes are venomous. Only about 600 out of the 3,000 known species are venomous. Venomous snakes use their venom to immobilize or kill their prey. Snakes are limbless reptiles, but they evolved from four-legged ancestors. Reindeer wars with the Arctic reindeer. Reindeer have several physical adaptations for cold environments, such as a thick double-layered coat that provides insulation against the cold and a specialized nasal structure. Wildlife wonders of the elephant. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. African elephants have larger ears than Asian elephants. Their ears are also shaped. Meet your next animal, the bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. They may engage in activities like pawing the grounds or bellowing as signs of aggression. Journey across the Camel Chronicles. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. There are two main species of camels. A visual safari into the zebra's domain. There are three species of zebras, and each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland. Join the expedition and majestic cow. Domestic cows, also known as terrine cows, are descendants of wild oxen known as aurochs, and they were first domesticated in southeast Turkey around 10,500 years ago. Cows engage in all forms of play found in mammals. Gratitude for your time invested in watching playful farm animals and amazing safari creatures frolicking in the mud adventure. Subscribe now for playful farm animals and amazing safari creatures frolicking in the mud, and embark on a fun-filled journey where children can connect with nature and animals in a joyful, muddy setting. More muddy adventures await. Stay tuned. So long, junior friends.